Hi, today I want to talk about how to make money working from home, and I'm going to go over 5 specific jobs that you can do working from home, and most of them are online. They don't necessarily require any special equipment or talent, but they're great opportunities if you're looking for options of how to make money working from home. So first, I just want to start here on Google. I typed in the keyword how to make money working from home, and you can see about 3 billion search results come up. Okay, so there's over 3 billion website articles that talk about different ways to make money from home. And so it's just a crazy popular subject. A lot of people are looking to make some side income, replace income. People are struggling financially. So let's go ahead and jump in and talk about these 5 different ways that you can make money from home, and a lot of them involve just doing online work. So this first one is from paying social media jobs. And if you like being on social media, you're good at it, you enjoy it, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc., there are companies that need help managing their social media, and they pay for that. They outsource it, and that's something that you can do. And so I'll leave links for all of these, for these 5 different opportunities in the description box down below. So please make sure you check the description box for these links. But again, if you like social media, you're good at social media, there are companies that will pay you to help them manage their social media. The next one involves writing. So if writing is something you like, something you're good at, something you have a skill and a talent for, again, lots of people need written content, and they're not good at it. They don't have the time for it. They don't like doing it. For whatever reason, they outsource that. And so these are jobs that you can pick up where you can make a very good hourly wage. And so maybe you just put in a few hours a week, some nice side income, maybe pay off some bills, save up for a vacation, or maybe decide you want to do this full time. You have that opportunity by working online through some of these writing jobs. All right, the next one is about, these are essentially live chat representatives. You know how a lot of times you go to a website and a little chat, pops up, says, hey, we're here if you have any questions. Or you go to a website and it gives you an option, to chat and for support. So that's basically what this is. So if you like, communicating with people, providing answers, then this is a great opportunity. And so, again, these are basically being a representative for a company. They pay you to provide their live chat services. A lot of it's through social media or through people coming to their website directly. And so this could be another opportunity to work from home, flexible schedule, good pay, but not being committed to a full-time job. The next one is very interesting. So mobile apps, are super popular, right? I mean, on your phone, you download, different applications that help, do different things, whether it's a game or a productivity app or tracking calories or whatever it happens to be. There's lots and lots of different apps out there. Now, these app developers, they spend a lot of time and money developing these apps. And when it goes live into the marketplace, either, the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, these apps need to be fully functioning and really ready to go from, the first day they go live. And they cannot afford for them not to work or to have bugs, to have glitches, because then they will not take off and people won't give them a second thought or a retry. So they have to work as soon as they go live in the marketplace. And so what they do is they pay people to test their apps. You test the apps, you give feedback. Sometimes it might involve writing a review on the app. But again, this is a kind of a fun way if you like testing things out, trying to break it, trying to make sure it works like they say it works, then this can be a very fun and interesting job, especially if you like, kind of being on the cutting edge with the newest, latest, greatest type stuff. this may be one to take a look at. Again, check the link in the description box below. And the last one, again, is a little more specific focused, but if you enjoy taking photos and pictures, everyone's got their phone with them nowadays, and these phones on our cell phones are very high quality. You can actually make money from your photos. And so if you're taking pictures anyway, why not learn how to sell those online? Basically, what you'll learn about are different marketplaces where you can upload your photos. People can find them, buy them, and then that's it. Again, take your photo, upload it, and you can make money. The nice thing is you only need to do it once, and then so it's a very nice set of residual income. So unlike some of these others opportunities that we talked about, where you get paid for the actual work you do, and if you don't work, you don't get paid, here you do the work one time. You take the picture once, you upload it to the marketplace one time, and then you're done, but you could continue earning from those photos as they go forward. People are looking for photos all the time, right, for their blogs or ebooks or websites, their personal use or company use. So this, if you like taking photos, you have a good eye. They can be photos really of pretty much anything, okay? These aren't necessarily just nature photos. These can be photos of anything. So I hope you found this video helpful about how to make money working from home. These 5 different ideas. There's lots of other ones. But if any of these are of interest to you, please see the links in the description box below this video. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And subscribe so you can keep up to date with new content as it comes out.